I have found the answer for you to earn a passive income staking without having to fork out to buy 1,000 of the crypto to get involved, without having to have a node staking it for you guys. There is a way to solve this. I found it. It's Ageio. We're going to get straight into this, but first, disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Let's get straight in. So Ageio.io is the website, okay? Only use the trusted links down below. Now, going to give you a quick welcome. Welcome to this project. It's a decentralized staking platform for the Theta Network. They're committed to providing an accessible and transparent staking solution that allows more people to earn the passive income and distribute the rewards to token holders. It's a very, very unique way to earn. And guys, I will show you the listing of Theta as well. You can see the wrap Theta down here. You can see the total lot down here already and the next payouts from the pools. Guys, the token price is doing very, very well, okay? And I will show you the actual listings very, very soon. But I just want to go more in detail about exactly what you do here. So there's 250 all users right now, 6 users in the last 30 days. You see how much has been staked. Guys, so it is picking up momentum. Now, if you're somebody that wants to get involved with passive income through staking, this is for you because you don't need to get that node. They have full transparency here, okay? It's a user-friendly and efficient, easy way for anybody to stake Theta and earn both Tfuel and AGT, which you can see straight down here. Tfuel right now is at $193,000 with the total value locked and 0.6 on the dollar for AGT. So you can be super confident in the security and the reliability of your staking investment if you join the community and start staking today. All you got to do is click this button right here. It'll take you through. Super, super easy, okay? You can allow your contract for whatever it is you are trying to stake with the wrap Theta. And you can see the next payouts going on. So if I want to jump on this with the next payout of 168, simply enable the contract, okay? Connect your wallet up at the top. I do recommend MetaMask as always. Connect that up. And once that's connected, simply just enable whatever contract it is you want and move forward. Guys, having a look at some of the pools on here, okay? This is your stake AGT. You can see this pool going on. It tells you exactly how much you're going to make. Now, guys, if you were with a bank right now, you'd probably make 0.1%. The APY on this contract right now is 118.8%. That's a lot more than the banks would give you. Your reward is 8,423 AGT, total supply 147. Again, you can choose how much you want to stake here and compound it once you connect your wallet up at the top. If you decide that you want to start swapping some of these, again, you can come to the swap section, okay? Add this token and simply swap it to wherever you need it to be on there. Add in the liquidity, again, the same here. You can add as much as you have or as much as you want, okay, from Tfuel. Get it into your balance of AGT. And if this video doesn't give you enough, please dive into the help section, all right, where they could show you every single thing that you need. So looking at where it's listed, P2P, B2B.com, okay, you can actually see AGT to the USDT going up right now. We can see that massive candle coming up, so if you got in, well done. Okay, this is on the hour trade. But guys, you can see this official listing. Be rest assured that this token is starting to move. So in an overview of this project, guys, it's very, very important that you understand the problem that they're solving here is for people that can't afford to just buy a huge amount of crypto or can't afford to buy a node in the computer generating power to stake themselves. So they have solved that by rewarding the token holders with the staking rewards. Guys, this is a real cool way to earn a passive income. Buy a minimum of 100 Theta, okay, and you can start earning a passive income from everybody else that is staking on this decentralized platform. Guys, I am so excited. So do me a huge favor. Make sure you do your research and hit the links down below if you want to get involved. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. I'll see you next time.